let's go terrestrial.
What's up, y'all? Good morning. Yeah, so I'm about to just get straight to the video. I'm about to bring out my lower and upper control arms, my coilovers. I'm bringing everything downstairs. We're putting it on the car. There's one thing that I need to order that just came to my mind. I need to order lower ball joints for my steering knuckle. I never ordered them. I don't know why. It literally just came to my mind. So yeah, I gotta order those. But I am gonna put all this stuff on because I'm dying to put it on and see how it looks. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this stuff downstairs, and yeah, we'll get right back. Alright, we're downstairs, guys. Pretty much just brought everything down for y'all. That way I'm not just recording me bringing everything down, you know. But yeah, so pretty much what we have right now, we got the two front suspension. We got the the drop fork. Sorry about that. We got the drop forks here. Let me. I want to get this in the sun for you guys real quick. Like, I really want you guys to see how it looks in the sun. Yeah, I can get a little into the sun. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Yeah, that looks good. But yeah, y'all are gonna love my manifold when it's done. Yeah, so these are my drop forks. Figured I'd get a little video on that real quick. My upper control arms, my upper camber kits, however you want to call them. And then we got the lower control arms right here. So yeah, so pretty much what I'm gonna do right now is I might set up my head cam and put the GoPro on my head right now, so I can show you guys everything of me putting it together and not trying to figure out where I'm gonna put the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna swap on over to a head mount, and we're gonna get started on doing all of my suspension in the front. So hey guys, this is gonna be, let me give you a quick little update of what I'm doing before I put these control arms and everything on. I figured I might as well use the time. Let me wipe this floor off real quick. Got all kinds of sand on it. I really feel like having sandy cheeks, you know. Alright, trying to get y'all somewhat a decent angle. I do got my head mount on right now. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm gonna paint all of this real quick. Cause I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So I'm gonna pretty much wipe all this shit down real good, and then I'm gonna paint this before I put everything on, just because I don't want, like, I don't know if you just seen the gust of wind that came through and blew all the dirt off, but I want this looking as nice as I can under here. I mean, I know it's gonna get dirty, but just so I don't have to worry about it, you know, painting it and all kinds of shit down the road. So yeah, so pretty much I'm just gonna scrub all this shit down with my hand. Actually, I have a rag. But yeah, I should be good enough. It don't have to be extremely serious, you know what I mean? I don't know if you guys can just see the little difference it makes right there already. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do this all over under here, and then I'll get back to y'all because I really don't want the overspray getting on the GoPro lens. So I'll be right back with y'all once I have it all painted. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you just a little quick update so I can go to the other side. This is this side here after I painted it. It looks good. My car already had an undercoat on it. So all I did pretty much is just freshen it up a bit. It's not gonna be this glossy, it's gonna be a flat black, so it's not gonna be glossy like this, which I don't really want it to be glossy. I want it to just be flat under here. But yeah, this is under this side. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll show you the other side real quick. I gotta hit this side now, so this side needs just a bit. Nothing serious, but yeah, y'all get it. So yeah, I'll be right back once I get that done. I'm gonna let this dry, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything assembled and mostly tightened up. The airplane. So yeah, I'm gonna get a couple things assembled, and like I'm just gonna tighten down these, the bolts and nuts. I'm gonna put these on all the way, like how they're supposed to be. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this one on this one. And yeah, I'm gonna gather around the bolts that I need to put on the lower control arm. So yeah, it should be going pretty good. I'll get right back with y'all in about a couple minutes. I'll be back. All right guys, so pretty much right now what I'm gonna do is put this upper camber kit on. It's pretty straightforward. There's two holes up here. There's one here and there's one here. Pretty much all you gotta do, it's really simple. Like I said, you push these through there like so, and then you go up top. It's gonna be the bolt right there. Let me go ahead and screw this on. Well, that bolt disappeared. All right, let me just get this side on. We'll find it here in just a second. All right, so I pretty much tightened the bolts down. Everything's sturdy now. Tighten the inside ones down pretty good. That's how it looks. Put a flashlight on for y'all real quick. So that's how this looks under here. Everything fits pretty good. So yeah, so that's how this is. Pretty sturdy. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and probably put on the lower control arm now, and I'll show you all that in just a second. Pretty much gonna install the lower control arm now. Hopefully you guys have a good view because I have my GoPro on my head right now. So yeah, pretty much what you're gonna do is it's the same as taking it off. Pretty much just gonna put it back on. I have spherical bushing, so I'm having to wet mine in here. Alright, just like that. So pretty simple. Alright, slide it through. You're gonna have to line this one up. Oh shit, look at that. Got some action there. First time broke them loose. Yeah, let me take these out real quick. Just want to make sure it's straight all the way through. I'm not going to be able to see just because the GoPro's on my head. Alright, hold on. It's got to be like right here. Right here we go. Maybe this all the way through. Let me grab this ratchet real quick. There we go. So pretty much you're just gonna screw this one in there. Same shit. Got an ant biting me? No, never mind. Alright, so hopefully you guys got a good view. Kind of worried if I don't. I'll take this off actually. Just don't want y'all to miss out on it. Alright, so control arm. Wow, I'm actually like pretty impressed with this. So tight. Alright, that bitch is tight. This thing moves incredible. Like, I don't know if you guys can see the bushings in there. Spherical bushings. Alright. So yeah. So we got that on there. I might as well go ahead and take this off here. So I had put these on everything's pretty good. Yeah, so these are on there. Nothing's really tight. This isn't tight. Gotta tighten up under there more. This is all pretty much just showing you guys, getting a quick video in. Yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and put on one of the suspensions, coilovers, whatever you guys want to call them. This is the Ksport Coilover. Y'all should already know that by now. So this is pretty much simple as well. 2 bolts here, one there. We're just gonna put them through. There's 2 holes there. Gonna stick them through like this, like so, and then that's gonna sit in there like this. So let me go ahead and find some bolts for this, or nuts for this. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying bolts. 1, 2. All right, we got 2 of them right there. All right, so I'm gonna put this camera back on my head. So yeah, sorry about that. I had to restart something. So pretty much you're gonna grab this here and you're gonna push it through the top right here, like so. You're gonna grab your nuts. No homo. Put these down here. Screw them bad guys on there. You're gonna put it like so. So you're gonna have your bolts on like that. Boom, boom. Check that out. Wow, that looks so freaking good. Wow, this is looking nuts. My suspension actually looks like it's suspension. Here's my drop fork here, and this thing fits on there good. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on there. And we need to get the bolt for this so I can actually put it on. Trying to adjust this camera real quick. Alright. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. Just want to adjust the camera so you have a good view. Alright. And also this is gonna go like this. Wow, this is gonna look nuts. Woo! Yeah, boy. So pretty much this is how it's gonna be. Everything's through. Let me go ahead and grab this nut and bolt real quick so I can actually put everything together, because I am dying to see this thing together. I just took off the bolt from there. I tightened the back side down there just so it wasn't me trying to hold the camera, figure out how I'm gonna hold it. I just gotta tighten on the suspension, nothing too serious. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. Gotta turn this a bit. There we go. Push this up. So that's gonna be like this. Go ahead and push the bolt through there. Look at this, guys. Wow, this looks nuts. Like, wish I can actually show you like how it looks in person compared to how it looks right here, but this looks absolutely nuts. You can actually kind of see the paint a little better. That's a little daytime out. But yeah, you know, like this is something I've been trying to get done for a while now. Yeah, we got all this together. I'm gonna go ahead and put this nut on here, tighten it all down, and then I'll get back with you guys right when I finish doing that. So yeah, let me go ahead and screw this down. I want to tighten everything up, make sure everything's tight, and then we'll go ahead and go to the other side. So yeah guys, so here's one more little quick look at how everything's looking. Everything just looks outstanding, and if you knew how my car actually looked from the first time, then you guys would be pretty shocked. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on down to the other side, get everything together on the other side, and yeah, catch y'all here in a couple minutes. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and install everything on the other side, that way it's out of the way. I pretty much showed you guys what to do on this side, so
yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll get back with you guys. I forgot to put my traction bar arm on. So I had to literally, so I sat here for a couple minutes because I had to jack my motor up because it's only held down by one mount, and it was causing me to not be able to let my bar go on correctly. So I finally figured out why. But yeah, here's how everything looks with the bar on it. This is the Billet Innovative one. You already know that. Yeah, so check that out. That's how everything looks. And yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna charge my GoPro for a bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other side, but I'm gonna go grab something to eat before I do that. And yeah, I just figured I'd show y'all, and peace. Yeah, so pretty much what I just did, guys, sorry I didn't film it. I just put the bolt through here for my drop fork. So my drop fork's on. I put my traction bar on. It's not on all the way. It's just on to where it's sitting on there till I can bolt it on there, because I literally have to go right now. But I wanted to throw together everything for you to show you guys what it looked like. This is this side. I pretty much just got to tighten everything up. Once I tighten everything, I'll be ready to go. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys an update, show you guys how everything is. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The next video I'll make will probably be a couple days from now, when I put everything on, put the wheels on. And then soon we're going to be working on the rear. So yeah, guys, everything's coming along how I want it. I just want to give you guys an update, give you a video. So yeah, but I'll see you guys on the next episode. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, hope it helped out a little bit, and I hope you guys like what I'm doing. So I'll catch y'all later. Don't fuck with me, don't say that bullshit shawty said.